Jiangxi Ganzhou. Eastman Technology Company Limited is a mineral processing equipment manufacturer with more than 38 years of rich production experience and professional mineral processing technology. It helps customers around the world solve various problems in aggregate production lines and mineral processing industries, from crushing and screening to tailings treatment. From small-scale mineral processing projects to large-scale mineral processing projects, we always provide customers with customized mineral processing solutions to meet their specific needs. If you are interested, please leave your WhatsApp in the comment area.